I can do it! This way they definitely won't accept me in the magician's show!
Sammy, what are you up to?
I'm learning how to throw cards! Look! Yeah.
Huh.
Can you show me how to do it? I can't get it.
Maybe if I train a little?
You can't too! I thought you could do anything.
Fine, Sam. I'm gonna make a device that will throw cards way better than any magician. Huh. I can't, huh?
Sue, it was a joke. Don't get mad. Sue, I'll help you.
Hi, guys. Today we're gonna make a card blaster which we'll use to blast playing cards. So, ouch, Sam! What is this aggressive advertising?
Sorry, I try not to lose hope of becoming a magician. I'm training.
Trust me, in a couple of hours you'll forget about it since you'll fall in love with our device.
Challenge accepted.
So guys, let's start with the main mechanism of our cardboard blaster.
Let's call it the magician's hand.
Whoa, sounds epic. I already cut 3 popsicle sticks. To make the holder for our cards, let's attach one of them this way. Then glue another piece to the other end. Hey, Sam! Could you make the same template, please?
Definitely. Looks like a high gate. We'll score goals to it with our cards.
Meanwhile, I'm going to glue another stick to our gate. Pay attention that we glue it from another side. Hop.
Here, the size is accurate to the millimeter, as if someone pressed copy-paste.
Thanks, Sammy. Let's glue your magnificent copy right here. Now we can add the card motion mechanism. Let's insert another stick here. Carefully. Good. Let's add some glue.
What are these 2 small wooden crowns?
Oh, thanks for bringing them, Sammy. We're going to glue them right here. Soon you'll see why. Just be a little more patient.
By the way, Sue, I studied a little. Do you know who Rick J is?
Nope. Who?
He's a famous card thrower. He invented the Frisbee-style shot. It's when a card flies fast and accurately.
Well, let's try to beat him. The card motion mechanism is almost ready. Let's finish up and glue 3-centimeter long sticks at the base.
There are also different types of grips, but when you throw a card, it has to twist the best possible.
I think Sammy is a great storyteller. Give a thumbs up if you agree. Meanwhile, we add more glue and attach small wooden holders for the rubber bands.
To throw a card, you have to use your wrist only. Your forefinger should remain in the corner.
Okay, Sammy. I like your thorough studies on this topic, but you really got carried away. Pass me the rubber bands.
Oh, I am daydreaming, sorry.
I could seek revenge and throw a rubber band into you, but I'm a nice person.
All right, the best one.
So let's load the card and try the mechanism.
Wow! This is cooler than the Frisbee technique.
Yeah! Look, we glued this stick here. It's like a bowstring.
Wait, why did you make that cut in the center?
You'll see. We're almost done. Look, Sammy, on these 2 parts, I marked the sections you need to cut with a cutter. Can you make it?
Oh, cutting is my cup of tea.
In the meantime, I'm going to glue these small parts. They are just 3.5 centimeters long. All right, there we go.
At your service.
So quick, you even glued them.
Well, you have to be very skillful to throw cards.
Right, or you can make a special device that will throw the cards for you. Let's apply some more glue to a part that I prepared. Meet our future trigger. Like this. Great! Now we can drill a small hole in the intersection of these 2 sticks. Be very careful. Guys, ask an adult to help you at this stage.
So that's why we needed this cut in the center of the stick. Now we can put them together. By the way, an ice cream from one of these sticks is not eaten yet. I'll leave you for a sec.
Well, guys, let's move on and create the exterior part of our card blaster. I marked 3 rectangles on a cardboard sheet. They'll form the base of our blaster.
Shoo, sorry, but are we making a blaster or a chessboard?
Sammy, it's just the base. Now we'll take a pencil and draw a handle in the 3rd rectangle we marked. Like this.
Oh, now it looks like a blaster.
After you work with the cutter, it will look like it even more.
Oh, I got it. Osseo cutter.
I think you should cut it.
I confused the crafts again.
In the meantime, I'm going to glue the small parts to our construction. There. Now they're on the same level with the other holders. Beauty and symmetry. Let's add some more glue. Up.
Done! I made 2 so the cardboard is thicker.
Awesome! Time to glue our mechanism. Like this. Perfect. Let's put our trigger here. Oh, we need to mark it in order to make a hole in the cardboard.
Shoo!
Huh?
Fluffy chewed up the pen. I saved the ink holder.
Oh, great. Thanks, Sammy. Even things like this can come in handy. In our case, for example. Now let's make a hole with a skewer. This way. Awesome.
In the second template, too. I didn't make it for nothing.
Sure, Sammy. There you go. All right, now we can glue our trigger. The holder goes right here. I'll use this. Look, when you pull it, the card will fly out. We just need to store more rubber bands.
A string like in a bow, rubber bands like in a slingshot. We're getting an interesting blaster.
Of course, science is the same everywhere. Here's the tension force.
Don't forget these, too. The stronger the tension is, the faster our cards will fly.
Such a pleasure to deal with a smart person, Sam. Here, done.
Let's top it off with the second part. I didn't prepare it in vain.
Of course not. There you go. Perfect.
Oh, how did I do that?
Sam, we're almost done. And there you go again. Why throw cards manually if we have a blaster?
Actually, I already made 2 templates.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. Let's hurry up and glue them nicely. Close the lower part, too. While this template with a hole for a stick, I managed to cut out myself.
Whoa, Sue, when did you have time?
There you go. Done. Here we have another cardboard template, but before we glue it, we need to work on it a little.
Huh, work on what?
We need to make it flexible to glue to the handle. Oh, Sam, I totally forgot!
What? What happened? Something went wrong?
No, we didn't do magic making this craft. Ugh, that won't do. Wow, cool. So fast and neat.
Don't scare me like that. I thought there would be no blaster after all.
Sorry. Now it's super flexible and we can glue it to the handle of our blaster. Like this. Good. Let's glue another small piece at the bottom to frame the stock of the blaster.
Sue, this works for throwing cards too.
Oh, with the pliers, we'll remove the extra parts of the toothpick. Let's add some more glue here. Guys, remember to be careful working with the hot glue gun. Here comes another cardboard piece, which closes all the hollow parts. The stock is ready. Any blaster needs a muzzle, but we've got a cardboard one, so our muzzle will be longitudinal, especially for cards.
This looks like an alien laser blaster.
Yep, it looks cool. Check it out. Oh, don't forget the holder for the trigger.
Everything is serious.
Here, it's almost ready. Let's fully cover our mechanism like this. I know that you can't wait, guys. Just a couple more steps left. We just need to decorate it a little. Let's make a cardboard-like magazine. It'll add some volume and shape to the blaster. This way, it'll look a little more realistic.
Just a second, I'll be right back.
Most probably he's not done eating another ice cream. While Sam's not watching, I'll add some more magic. Pop. Great. Now let's attach them to the blaster. Awesome! The second magic piece goes here.
Not bad, Sue, not bad, but I have something cooler.
5 ice creams eaten in a row, for example.
No, Susie, I decided to make our blaster really card-like.
Wow, this looks amazing! Great job! We just need to glue them to the blaster and we're done! So, what do you think about the results, Sammy?
Looks awesome! We just need to try it in action.
Ow!
On guard! I made a small shooting range for us.
Well, let's load it. And aim. Boom! Yay! How do you like that device?
Amazing! Let me try too.
Go on.
Yeah! It shoots really cool. Not every magician can repeat it.
Let me load another card. Guys, you can also try to make a card blaster like this. It is really exciting and fun.
And subscribe to our channel, of course. This is serious.
We look forward to your thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the bell.
Bye-bye.
By the way, Sammy, I forgot something.